For pipeline operators looking for a repair solution that won't slow them down, HJ3's CarbonSeal technology is a tested, proven, high-performance solution for transmission pipeline repairs. The CarbonSeal carbon fiber composite wrap is an adaptable repair system for a wide range of industries and applications. CarbonSeal is highly versatile, providing for fast, easy, and cost-effective installations on any diameter or geometry. HJ3's CarbonSeal system commonly repairs pipeline defects such as cracks, dents, corrosion, erosion, gouges, and metal loss. In a recent testing program, HJ3's CarbonSeal system underwent extensive full-scale testing by a third-party engineering firm, ADV Integrity, to validate its technology according to PCC2 guidelines. In addition to the minimum testing requirements, CarbonSeal was subjected to cyclical fatigue testing for corrosion anomalies and dents. The CarbonSeal system passed all qualifying tests, validating its use as a superior engineered composite repair system, even for pressurized pipelines with 75% through wall loss. Learn more about CarbonSeal carbon fiber composites and its benefits at hj3.com.